Congratulations on the purchase of your new vehicle. Welcome to the Mercedes-Benz of Raleigh family. My name is Cameron Baker and I'm the service manager here. I want to take a moment to introduce you to our service drive. The service and parts department are located directly behind our sales department. Several service lanes are located directly behind the showroom. Just drive up and one of our service advisors will greet you shortly. For added convenience, an after-hours drop box is located there as well. All you have to do is fill out the envelope, seal in your key, and enjoy the peace of mind you deserve, knowing that your vehicle is in good hands at Mercedes-Benz of Raleigh. Our team of advisors work together to provide excellent service and is always available to answer any questions you might have. If you prefer to wait while we service your vehicle, take a stroll through our lifestyle boutique and parts department. Browse through our extensive selection of Mercedes-Benz branded gifts and unique collectibles. We also provide private workstations and refreshments for those who work on the go or simply want to enjoy a comfortable place to unwind from it all. Mercedes-Benz of Raleigh service is here for you. We look forward to seeing you soon. Mercedes-Benz of Raleigh, it's easier here.